I know you're going to want to hear it. New 2024 MT-09. Awesome, but one slight problem. This thing might not be a problem to you, but if you don't like the fact that it sounds like a hairdryer, then you probably want a solution to that. Well, we've got your solution. As with the 21 to 23 model, we supply a full system. All our usual RACEFIT details, beautiful welding, beautiful titanium, sprung together, a full-on proper race system. We've had to redesign the rear mounting point for it, as Yamaha had seen fit to change the subframe on it. So we've got a super solid, super secure new bracket for it. Obviously, mounts underneath, mounts at the front onto the cylinder head. Very simple to fit. In fact, 8 mounting points on the whole thing. The other things you have to deal with are the new bike, certainly in Europe, 202 sensors, lambda sensors. That's no problem because the original one only having one, and it does appear that the American models still only have one. Don't know why that is. This now means that we have to supply it with 2 wiring loom extensions, which we do. All the link pipes are going to come with 2 ports for 2 oxygen sensors. So wherever you are in the world, that's what we're going to supply. And should you have the 2 oxygen sensors, you'll be able to refit them with our wiring loom extensions. We're also going to supply it with a blanking plug. So if you do get it and your bike only has 1 oxygen sensor, we'll supply you with a blanking plug to blank off the second one. All the kit you need to fit this is included with it. And some great little instructions, and all being well, if we can manage to do it between us, an instructional video on how to route this, because that's a little bit fiddly. Nothing that you can't do. I love this bike. I love our exhaust. I love the fact we're going to get rid of this thing. And I love the fact we're going to make this sound like a man's motorbike, which it always should have done. You know that this thing is going to exceed expectations. It always does. It's all the feedback I ever get. Wow, you never quite prepared me for this. Usually positive. Sometimes, you know, there's some fist waving from a neighbour, but mate, that's what it's all about, isn't it? You're not coming to RACEFIT for conservative. You're not coming to RACEFIT for a bit steady. You want to conform to everybody and everything, bowing to everybody's will. You're coming to RACEFIT because you're a bit indie, you're a bit underground, you're a bit subversive, and that's what this has given you. Trust me, if you love this bike and you love the old essence of what it's all about, you're going to love this exhaust and the noise you make on it. I love it. I love it.